How to turn off Instagram DMs on the iPhone. First of all, go ahead and open up the Instagram application on your phone. You are now in the Instagram homepage. Here, you can view posts from friends and pages that you follow. Now, go to the bottom right corner and tap on your profile picture. You can view all your posts as well as your followers and following list from here. On this page, go to the top right corner and tap on the 3 horizontal bars. Here, scroll down and go to Messages and Story Replies. Then, tap on Message Requests. Over here, select No One. After that, go to the next section and tap on People that you follow. Note that people that you follow or have chatted with before can always send you messages or add you to group chats unless you block them. Now go back and tap on Story Replies. And from the option select Don't Allow Story Replies. Following these steps, you can easily turn off Instagram DMs on the iPhone.